Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Will I have potatoes or will I have an epic fail? Together, we're going to find out. This is my potato grow bag, and up until recently, it was looking real good, but all of the vines are basically dead. Some of that is from insect pressure, and some of it is from Hurricane Debbie. So I thought I would dump it out and see what I have inside. Okay, hopefully you can see me. I have spread out a tarp and I have the grow bag, potato grow bag here. I'm going to put on my gloves. And we're going to dump this over and see what we got. I have not peeked or looked to see what we had growing. And there we go. We got it all out. Now, let's start digging. I purchased 2 pounds of potatoes. So if I'm able to get 2 pounds of potatoes, then I'm happy. And again, this is my second attempt at growing potatoes. And we have one here. Get that there. Shake the dirt off. Have another one. Well, I won't lie and say that I'm not disappointed. in that I didn't get more. It looks like I have 3 small ones and one that's rotten. So I got 5 potatoes. Hopefully in the raised bed, there will be a better harvest. So I'm not going to be upset too much. Okay, I don't see any more. So we got five potatoes, which is more than I had last year when I got 9. And hopefully you can see this. This is my new knee the knee kneeler that I got from the DeerFamy. You could kneel on it. It has a handle that you can carry it like this, but you can kneel on it here. And it doesn't necessarily need to be used in the garden if you're doing something inside the house or anything like that. It's real sturdy and spongy. You can put your tools here if you're using it in the garden or in the house. And it helps those with bad knees or the elderly or anything like that to get down and to get back up without too much difficulty. This is also non-slip and it's waterproof. And as I said before, it comes with a variety of uses. It can be used rather for a variety of things, not necessarily dedicated to the garden. It is designed for those that have mobility issues and have had post-operative surgery on their knees or anything like that. And as I said before, it really takes the pressure off your knees and your lower back. And so far, I like it. I've used it outside. My wife uses it inside the house when she's kneeling to get stuff. So overall, it's a good thing. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link for it in the comment section of the video and also in the description portion of the video. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we got my first potato harvest. And as you can see, like I said before, it was 5, but it's more than I've ever grown. So I'm kind of happy about it. So I'm going to go in and put these in our dark place and let them mature for a couple of weeks. And then we can have potatoes. Like I said, hopefully the other bed does better. We'll see. Probably get them in another month and a half or so. And we also were able to get 2 of the final cucumbers that I have, and a couple pieces of okra. And as I've said before, any harvest is a blessed and great harvest. So thank you for coming along. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And also, don't forget, if you're interested in the kneeling pad, look in the description portion of the video rather, and the comment portion for the link. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.